In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can generate a picture using the Playground version 3 model via Perplexity. Now, I just created this AI picture, but I'm not using Playground. I was using the Flux model, but we can always switch to the Playground version 3 in Perplexity. So let me show you how you can adjust the setting. First, I'm going to close this. And what you need to do is you have to navigate to the settings page. Right here, click the gear icon. And then I'm going to scroll down, and under Perplexity Pro section, yes, this feature is only available for the premium Pro subscriber of Perplexity. If you're using the free version, unfortunately, this is not going to be available. But anyway, what you need to change is the image generation model. Right now, I'm using Flux 1, but we can change to Playground version 3. And if you have been using this model, you probably aware that this model is particularly good at designing a logo or text and also illustration, which I think in a lot of cases is more useful than just a random picture of illustration like the ones that was generated by DALL-E, for example. I think the quality from Playground version 3 is a lot better. Now let's go back to Perplexity, and to create an image, you can click new thread, and then I'm going to be using the same prompt, which is generate a picture of a polar bear with purple fur. Exactly the same prompt for the picture that I have shown you earlier. But before we get into that, I do recommend to switch to the auto mode because we don't want to search the internet. There's no point of doing that. And also make sure you are not enabling any web, academic, or social search. Basically just turn off all the settings and then click enter. Now Perplexity, as always, will try to give you some answer, but we don't need this text answer. We want to generate a picture. So click generate image. And you can actually select the style of the picture that you prefer, but I do recommend to not clicking any of these four, because if you do that, the Perplexity is going to be using the prompt, the image prompt from this answer. This is not an image prompt, so I recommend to not using any of these. Instead, you have to click the custom prompt button right here. And then I'm going to be using just the simple prompt that I used earlier. So let me remove all of this. And the style, in this case, I'm going to be using the realistic picture, and just click submit. The image is being created and it will be shown right here. You just need to wait for maybe 20 or 30 seconds. And it should be here anytime now. Okay, so this is the picture that was generated. I think it's a bit better than the one that was generated by Flux. This one is a bit more realistic, although maybe if I improve the prompt, the result would be even better. But overall, I'm happy that this Playground model exceeding my expectation when creating this particular image. Anyway, that's how you can use Playground version 3 on Perplexity. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.